This next section covers two theorems. The first theorem says that if a diameter of a circle is perpendicular to a chord, so here I have drawn a diameter, and if I have a chord that is perpendicular, then it says the diameter bisects the chord and its arc. So that means those two pieces would be congruent. And you would be able to solve something like 2x equals 18. You'd be able to set those pieces equal. So 2x equals 18, x equals 9. And we also know this theorem, this theorem's converse as well. So if I have a chord that is perpendicular to a diameter, a chord that is perpendicular to another chord, then one of those chords is a diameter. Alright, so I need to see these pieces, bisector, and that is a diameter, so I would then know that it passes through the center. Okay, so the next theorem says that if I have two chords, so right here are two chords, they connect 2 points. It says that if there are two chords and they are congruent, then their minor arcs are congruent as well. So I would be able to draw here. Alright, so let's say I go ahead and I already know that those are congruent. You would see that the angles that they draw, makes it look like a little butterfly, those angles would be congruent as well. So I would need to either see the angles congruent or that the chords were congruent. So I would then be able to set values equal as well. And this theorem also says it backwards and says if two minor arcs are congruent, that means those central angles would be congruent. Or you could have those arcs matched up and marked congruent. Then you know that those corresponding chords are congruent.